I have Peace Like a River. What a great song. This is being filmed during the COVID-19 pandemic, and my heart goes out to anybody that's lost people they love due to that. I've had people that I know that have gotten sick, so yeah, ukulele gives me some peace like a river when I need it. Hope it does for you too. Let me tell you what we're going to be learning about. This song is part of the New to Uke series, and it assumes that you've already learned how to play C, F, and G, and you've had experiences switching in between them, and you're ready now to do your first three-chord song. I've got a link down below, more about the New to Uke series. If you're thinking that you're a beginner, it's not too late to get involved with that program. We're going to go through the chord changes first because, you know, they are so regular, and if your intellect understands it, it will be easier for you to fit in your singing. I hope you want to fit in singing. I mean, you want to play with others and sing with others. That gives me great joy. It'll help you fit in your singing with a basic down strum with your three chords. Let's go over the first half first. Yeah, okay. So I figured this song is in two halves. Here we go. You're going to be doing 4 C's. C, switch to F, 2, and C, 2. Then you stay on C, 2, 3, 4, and G, 2, 3, 4. So the trickiest thing in this is switching from C to F, and then back to C, and then C to G. And then when we go in the second half, we're going to switch that G back to C. So if you're having trouble with any of those chord transitions, just sit down and workshop them and just practice going like C and F and C and F. Very nice and slowly. You understand it intellectually. I totally get that. But you're creating a pathway for that intellectual knowledge to flow to your fingers like a river. Okay, truthfully, actually, it's like an electrical current, not a water current. So practice that in isolation if you need to. Not, let's do the first half again. Here we go. C, 2, 3, 4, and F, 2, and C, 2, and C, 2, 3, 4, and G, 2, 3, 4. With me so far? If not, I've got a timestamp down to practicing just that first half. Moving on to the second half. Notice any repetition? Yeah, the first 2 lines are exactly the same as the first half. It isn't until we get to the second 2 lines that it's different, and we have to share the C and G to cover our 4 downbeats. And then instead of ending on G, it ends on C, because C is what we would call the key of this song. And if you don't end on C, it'll sound really weird. 1, 2, play it with me. C, 2, 3, 4, and F, 2, and C, C, 2, G, 2, and C, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again together. Ready? Begin. It's C, 2, 3, 4, and F, 2, and C, 2, and C, 2, G, 2, C, 2, 3, 4. Again, I've got a timestamp for the second section. Now we're going to just practice the whole chord progression before we move on to a play along. Here we go. All the chords. Ready? Begin. 2, 3, 4, switch to F and C. Stay on C. 2, 4, Mastering steps in isolation is really important to speeding up your journey in ukulele playing. I know you're so anxious to add it and get it to a finished product. I totally get that. But be patient with yourself. Allow yourself to be able to play those chords nice and smoothly with just down strums before you add the singing, because that extra layer of complexity isn't going to make any bobbles and things that are happening just with the chords get better. No, it's only going to make it worse. So be patient with yourself. Enjoy the journey. If you're ready to add the words, let's go ahead. We're going to start off with an introduction of 4 down strums on C. This song has a vocal pickup, and we've talked about that like with the cowboy song, so this is just like that. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got love like the ocean. I've got love like the ocean. I've got love like the ocean in my soul. I've got love like the ocean. I've got love like the ocean. I've got love like the ocean in my soul. I've got joy like a fountain. I've got joy like a fountain. I've got joy like a fountain in my soul. I've got joy like a fountain. I've got joy like a fountain. I've got joy like a fountain in my soul. How'd you do this fall already? Really truly hope that this is helpful in your ukulele journey. If so, then hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my tutorials that come out for the ukulele, and keep spreading the ukulele love, and I'll send you out with something that a little more advanced version. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river in my soul.